Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we are going to be heading back to TikTok and checking out some trending DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So first up we have a DIY by this particular creator. She is very talented. She does a lot of like neutral themed decor. And it looks like she has some wooden pieces here. And my guess is that she might be making a photo frame for this DIY. So she's kind of maneuvering the pieces. Kind of reminds me of like Jenga. Like, is anyone else thinking that? Oh, she's making a mirror design. Wow. Oh, I absolutely love this idea. You can also stain the wood if you wanted to, or spray paint it a different color, manually paint it. But I love the natural wood. This is really pretty. And then next up we have a Pendant Light DIY. So they have a lampshade here, 2 lampshades. And then some floral wire. So it looks like they put them together, both pieces. And then they're going in with some type of robe. And bam. Now we already saw the end result. This is a really cool concept and idea. You can do like multiple of them if you had like the different island lighting going. Very pretty. Definitely aesthetically pleasing for sure. All right, so moving on, we have a piece of cardboard here, a charger. Okay, so they have some glue, I'm guessing. Oh, I wonder if they're making a lampshade too. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, this is beautiful. And they put it on their patio. Oh, I love that idea. Very cool. And then we have some type of vase DIY here. So they're using the glue gun to create a design. Now you can do this with any kind of vase that you desire, small, large. Very pretty simple project idea. Okay, and then just kind of sponging the paint on. You could spray paint this too if you wanted to. Oh, this would look really cool actually with like an ombre effect. Okay, so they did some sponging and then they went over it again with some spray paint and then added some more sponging. Very interesting technique. And then they are doing a perimeter around the edges. Ooh. You know what? I think this probably would have looked better without that top perimeter or decorative element that they added there. That's just my own personal opinion, but other than that, I really like it. I think that the concept is pretty cool. Making that texture with the glue gun. And then we have a Dollar Tree boho summer wreath. So they have a pizza pan here and then some marbles. I'm guessing they're gonna glue these on here. I always talk about how like people put like their pets or whatever in the videos, but the thing about that is that when you have like a cat or a dog, they always want to be like near you. They always want to be petted, so it's like they're always in the videos. This actually kind of looks like a table tray. Beach vibes only. Oh, that's cute. Now, obviously she said that this is a summer wreath, but you could take the same concept and do it for like any time of the year. Oh, so she drew like this line throughout and kind of gave it like a bit of a rustic feel to it. And I'm guessing here she's making more of like the hanging portion. So she's using the rope from the dollar store, tying it around a wreath. And you can get both of these items from the Dollar Tree. They usually have them all year round. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow. And there's the cat again. That came out absolutely very cool. Very, very cool. I'm like speaking broken English. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, I love it. And she actually hung it up like indoors, but this could totally go on your door if you wanted to. Very cute. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.